4 distinct seasons of Korea. From magical cherry blossoms to winter wonderlands, Korea experiences 4 distinct seasons, each offering a completely unique travel experience. But with different seasons come vastly different weather and packing needs. In this video, we'll cover Korea's year-round weather and essential packing tips in just 3 minutes. Spring, March to May, blooming cherry blossoms and mild breeze. Spring, from March to May, brings pleasant temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 Fahrenheit. In early April, the entire country turns pink with cherry blossoms. Nights can still be chilly, so layering with a light jacket or cardigan is recommended. Packing a face mask is also a good idea, due to occasional yellow dust. Summer, June to August, sunny, energy and monsoon rain. June through August is hot and humid, with temperatures rising up to 35 degrees C, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Light cotton clothes, sunglasses, and the portable fan are must-haves. Keep in mind that late June to July is the Changma monsoon season, so pack an umbrella or raincoat. Carrying a light outer shirt helps against strong indoor air conditioning. Autumn, September to November, clear skies and crimson leaves. Autumn, from September to November, brings crisp air and clear blue skies with comfortable temperatures, around 15 C to 25 C, 59 Fahrenheit, 77 Fahrenheit. Early September might see brief rain or typhoons, so a light windbreaker and umbrella are handy. By late October, the mountains explode into breathtaking shades of red and gold. Winter, December to February, snowy magic and hot street food. Winter lasts from December to February, dropping below -10 Celsius, 14 Fahrenheit, with romantic snowfalls. A heavy down jacket, thermal innerwear, gloves, and beanies are essential. Don't miss out on hot street food, like spicy rice cakes and fish cake soup, or hitting the ski resorts for some winter fun. Which season will you choose? Which season in Korea would you love to visit the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in Korea!